Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace wiper blades Hyundai Elantra, easy method. Start by raising the wiper arm away from the glass until it stays up. Gather the replacement blades and check that lengths match your vehicle's specifications. Remove the old blades by pressing the release tab and sliding them out of the hook. Fit the new blades until they click, lower the arms, and test the wipe pattern for streaks. Remove the old blade carefully to avoid snapping the metal arm onto the windshield. Hold the arm firmly while you press the connector tab to release the blade from the hook. Slide the blade out and inspect the adapter for corrosion or bent parts. If the arm or adapter looks damaged, consider replacing the entire wiper arm assembly. Keep the removed blade for size reference when purchasing the new replacement blades. Installation is straightforward and quick once you have the right blades. Angle the new blade so the hook slides into the adapter and push until you hear a solid click. Double-check that the blade is locked and straight along the arm channel. Gently lower the arm back onto the glass and activate the washer to confirm clean contact across the windshield. If you see streaking, recheck alignment and refit the blade until it wipes smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.